Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I'm going to let you in on one of nature's best kept secrets, something that has completely changed the way that I approach skincare, food prep, and even household cleaning. And the crazy part, almost no one talks about this. I'm talking about fig latex. Now, if you've ever broken a fig leaf or a stem, you've seen that milky white sap that oozes out, but did you know that it has powerful natural properties? And many people just wipe it off and they move on, but I've discovered some amazing uses for fig latex that you probably haven't even considered. So in this video I'll break down how I personally use fig latex for skincare, food and cleaning, the exact steps to use it safely and avoid irritation, and why you need to know this before anyone else does. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, because once you see what fig latex can do, you'll never look at a fig tree the same way again. So first, let's talk about what fig latex actually is and why it's so powerful. So fig latex is a natural sap that fig trees release when you break a leaf or a stem, and it is rich in ficin, which is a powerful enzyme that breaks down proteins and organic matter. It also contains antimicrobial and antifungal compounds, which is why it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Now let me tell you something most people don't know. Not all fig trees produce the same type of latex. There are some varieties that have got stronger latex than others, which is in this case, as you can see, which means results can vary depending on which fig tree it is from. So if you have a fig tree at home, chances are that you have a free source of one of the most underrated natural remedies ever. But before you start using it, you need to know exactly how to use it correctly, because this stuff is potent. So let's get to it. Now, number one way that I use it is a natural wart and skin tag remover, and I'm going to share with you my personal experience. And this is probably the most surprising use, and yes, I've tried it myself. Fig latex is actually a natural alternative to wart removers because of the ficin enzyme that breaks down the keratin in warts and skin tags. So here's how I personally use it. So I took a small drop of fig latex and I applied it directly to the wart. I let it sit for about 10 minutes before washing it off, and then I repeated it once or twice a day for 5 days. So what happened next? Around day 3, the wart started drying out and started turning darker. By the end of the week, it has shrunk significantly. But here's the thing, you have to be super careful because this stuff is strong, and if you apply too much, it can cause irritation or burning. So always please start with a tiny amount and do a patch test first. The second way I use it is as the best natural meat tenderizer in cooking, and this one blew my mind when I first tried it, because fig latex can actually tenderize meat. And many people have heard of papaya or pine or pineapple bromelain enzymes for the purpose of tenderizing tough cuts of meat, but fig latex also works in the same way. And now the ficin enzyme is responsible for breaking down the proteins and muscle fibers, making the meat softer as well as juicier. So here's how I use it. I take a few drops of fresh fig latex and I rub it in tough cuts of meat. I let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes before cooking, and the result is insanely tender meat that melts in your mouth. But here's a warning, if you leave fig latex on for too long, it can actually make the meat mushy, so don't overdo it. The third way I use it is the ultimate sticky residue remover, and this is a little trick I discovered by accident. Fig latex is amazing at removing sticky residue. So if you've ever struggled with tree sap on your hands, sticker glue stuck on something, or even super stubborn grime, well, guess what? Fig latex dissolves it all. Just apply a few drops to the sticky area, let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute, and wipe or wash it off. And the natural enzymes breaks down sticky substances. It makes the perfect chemical-free cleaner. Okay, so before you run outside and start cutting fig branches, there are a few important things I want you to know. Number one, fig latex can be quite irritating because it is strong and it can cause skin irritation or burns, especially if you have dry sensitive skin like I do. So always do a patch test first, and if you find that it has touched your skin, then make sure you wash your hands quickly as well. Number two, it can